What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Detrucci, and today we're going to be reacting to Nightwish, Endlessness. This is the final song of Disc 1 from the brand new album Human Nature, and I believe this is Marco's song from what I've heard. So we're going to check this one out. If you haven't seen my reaction to Tribal, I will link that up above here so you guys can check that out. But we're just going to jump right into this because I don't really know what to expect. So without further ado, let's get into it. Nice and slow. Yes. Uh-oh.
Crowded hearse, I am the haven by an unseen stream.
Whoa, wait, what?
I'll sing the dawning with you now that you have a voice.
Wait, what the fuck? Oh my god, that's amazing. Marco's voice. Marco's voice. Oh, I had no idea how much I missed Marco's voice on this album until I just heard it right now. Oh, it sounds amazing. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Marco. Woo!
I am the one you call the thief universe. Blankless crowded hearse, I am the haven by an unseen stream. I'll sing the dawning with you now that you have a voice. Earthbride, a monster, carrion kind.
Wow. Oh my. Wow. That's amazing. His voice is so melodic. Oh wow. I like this. So he's singing about the thief. The thief. The word thief here is in capital letters. So he's talking about like the bringer of the night, end of time, all that kind of stuff. You know the story about the thief of the night that comes and takes you away. That's what he's talking about here, and that's why it's got a capital letter to it. This is interesting. This is very interesting. But he's talking about someone to share the thief with. So he's also talking about love here, I think. I don't know. Let's continue. like this riff.
I am the grass, the maggots, and the dust. I am the several endings, the pain of the soul, evil of an unsung life. Decades make them matter. Myriad tales shall befall on you before even the blood of us day.
Okay, he's talking about the afterlife. I think this is talking about the afterlife. I think this is talking about the afterlife. I don't know. Whew, okay, yeah. I want to listen to that again. I don't know. The lyrics of. I'm trying to listen to them.
Even the blood of us day.
Oh wow, Tip the Reaper. What was that? Hang on. Tip the Reaper to ensure the blade is sharp, because you do not want to live a life where you die slowly. Ooh, that is a line. Damn, who wrote that? Is that Marco that wrote this song? Like the lyrics, or was it Thomas? That's a tough line, because you want to die quickly, like when you do go. You want to die knowing that you've done everything you can. You don't want to just sit and die slowly. That's the worst kind of dying. Oh, wow, what a line. What a line.
Everything, keep the reaper to
this is the slow fade out of the album because it's the last song on the first disc. The artist of these videos, he did an amazing job. Oh wow. Whew, that was majestic. That was a really special way to end the album. I really like that every song on this album is their own song and their own story to tell, but at the same time, even though each song is its own story, they all connect into a bigger story, which is the album story. And this is just, it's genius. The whole thing is genius. There's so many good lyrics in here. I love Marco's voice. It's so deep and so they've clearly slowed down the musical aspect of the song to fit Marco's voice and Marco's tone, and he does a really good job of portraying the Reaper and the thief, which both had capital letters in the lyrics, so I'm guessing they're the same thing in terms of this song. At first, when I saw that, I thought of the Bible when it says the thief of the night, but it's not talking about the same thing, because at the end of this song, they talk about how life goes back to being nothing and black, which is where we came from. And so it's not the same thing, but it's still tied to the Reaper, which is cool. I think, I don't know. It's a lot to take in for the first listen, so I might have got some of that wrong. But I tried. One thing I really like about this song is it seems to have an ode to power metal. So it's slowed down, but it still has a power metal style of sequencing to the song, which I think is also an Easter egg of a tribute to Tarot, because Tarot was not Nightwish. Tarot was Marco's band before, and I believe they did a lot of power metal stuff. So I think even though it might not be as intentional as I'm thinking, it being Marco's song also has elements of his previous band, which is nice. I think it's a nice touch from Thomas as a gift to Marco. Maybe when he thought of writing this song, maybe he thought, what can we do to give Marco something of a center stage? And he gave him this style of song, and I think it's a really nice touch to end the album on, at least on the first disc, because we still have the second disc to go. But I like this. This is a majestic way to end the song. It came in slowly, the same way that music came in at the beginning, which was a slow. This was more of a fly through space style of ending, whereas music was like, hey, welcome to the world. We're working hard. We're doing all this stuff. Welcome to the Earth. And by the end of the album, you have us flying through space, and we've got like pictures of like Saturn and all this other stuff going on. Yeah, this was fantastic. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my reactions to this first disc. This is the final song of the first disc. I will be doing the second album probably on Saturday. I'm going to take a break tomorrow, and I'm going to listen to the whole album all the way through for the first disc, because I haven't done that yet. So this will be my first chance to get to do that. And then I'm going to come back on Saturday and I'll do the second disc with you guys. So stay tuned for that. But I've really enjoyed this so far. This has been an absolutely incredible album for me, and it's one of the very, very few albums that I've ever experienced where I don't feel like I want to skip a song, which there's maybe only like 4 or 5 albums in the last 20 years of my music history. So this is truly up there, and I've had an absolute blast reacting and listening to these songs for the first time with you guys and having you guys in the comment section. It really does make this whole experience like 100 times better. And so any albums that come out in the future for bands that I love and have been reacting to, I'm absolutely doing this because it's been such a great experience. And I really can't thank you guys enough for all the support and all the love that you guys have given me in the comments. And yeah, but I'm excited for Saturday to do the second disc. So we're going to do that. And I will catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, you guys. And yeah, peace.